How can your environment trigger psoriasis flare-ups? Imagine your skin as a delicate barrier that reacts to what surrounds it. Environmental factors can play a big role in causing psoriasis flare-ups by irritating the skin or activating the immune system. One major factor is air pollution. When you breathe in pollutants like nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen oxides, or tiny particles known as PM2.5 and PM10, your body experiences oxidative stress and inflammation. This can make psoriasis worse because it amplifies the immune response that already causes skin cells to grow too quickly. Both short-term exposure during smoggy days and long-term living in polluted areas have been linked to increased psoriasis severity. Weather also influences your skin. Cold, dry weather tends to dry out the skin, leading to cracks and irritation that can trigger plaques. If your skin becomes too dry, it can become inflamed and more prone to flare-ups. On the other hand, heat and sweating can cause problems, especially in areas where skin folds are common. Moisture and friction in these spots can lead to inverse psoriasis, which worsens with heat and sweat. Sunlight is tricky too. Moderate sun exposure can sometimes help improve psoriasis symptoms because ultraviolet rays slow down skin cell growth. But too much sun can cause burns, which damage the skin and may trigger new plaques through a process called the Koebner phenomenon, where injury leads to new psoriasis lesions. Physical trauma to the skin is another trigger. Even minor injuries like cuts, scrapes, insect bites, or sunburn can provoke psoriasis plaques in the affected area. This is because of the Koebner phenomenon, which causes the immune system to respond to skin injury by forming new lesions usually within 10 to 14 days. Stress is also a well-known environmental trigger. Emotional or psychological stress activates inflammatory pathways, making immune dysfunction worse and increasing the chance of flare-ups. Managing stress through relaxation techniques or support can be very helpful. Allergens and seasonal allergies can also worsen psoriasis. Pollen from trees, grasses, or weeds causes the body to release inflammatory chemicals called cytokines, which can intensify plaques. Avoiding known allergens and controlling allergy symptoms can help keep flare-ups at bay. Indoor environments matter too. Spending time in air-conditioned or heated spaces can dry out your skin, leading to irritation. Exposure to airborne irritants like chemical fumes or strong odors from industrial areas can also trigger psoriasis in sensitive individuals. To help prevent environmental triggers, it's important to care for your skin properly. Regular moisturizing keeps the skin barrier healthy and reduces dryness and cracking. Using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 helps prevent sunburns that could lead to flare-ups. Avoid scratching or picking at your skin to prevent injury. Managing stress with mindfulness, exercise, or support groups can reduce immune activation. On days with high pollution, staying indoors or using air purifiers can limit exposure. Also, avoiding known allergens and taking allergy medications if needed can make a difference. Understanding how your environment influences psoriasis allows you to take practical steps to protect your skin. By minimizing exposure to pollutants, managing weather-related dryness, and avoiding skin injuries, you can help keep flare-ups under control. Remember, everyone's skin reacts differently, so it's always best to discuss your specific triggers with a healthcare professional to develop a personalized plan.